down. I got 3 jump downs. Jumping down. Alright, guys. We'll do it again. Alright, where you at, Aaron? Oh, that's okay. Never mind. That's chaos. That was the trust shot. But not for long. Alright, guys. We're going to do this one more time, and then we're going to definitely jump into a heist. Alright, someone just shot off my fucking armor. Alright, stay with me on the roof. Oh, you want to have a romantic time on the roof, massive? When are you getting your PlayStation 4, Raymond? Yo, I'm so lost. What the fuck? Alright, guys. So hopefully we can go inside before he sends the invite. So give me 1 second. Fucking chaos over here is trolling like a little motherfucker. Trying to kill me. Alright, guys. One more body armor, suit up. And alright, here we go. Hello, remember me? Yes, AJ, remember you already bought GTA before. Alright, here we go. Holy shit. No, I'm not in the prison yet. How can you... Do you just go to the fence or what? And then what? I just start some bullshit? Oh, it just lets you do it. Okay. No shit, dude. I took too long. Alright, here we go. Holy fuck. Turn around, turn around. Alright, shit, dude. That is not what I wanted to do. Alright, hold on. Maybe we can get... Maybe... Oh, fuck. Get in the car, get in the car, get in the car, get in the car! Oh, fuck. Wrong fucking way. Wow! Wow, definitely went the wrong way. That went bad so fast. Oh my god. That went bad so fast, dude. Everybody, if you haven't already... Hell yeah, AJ. Yeah, I think we're waiting for Aaron. Alright, guys, we're going to be jumping into the heist. Just give me 1 second. Whew. Alright, guys, here we go. Joining up on these heist, peeps. Alright, guys. Man, it's smoking hot. Alright, guys. The stream is currently right now at 1 hour and 22 minutes. At 1 hour, probably after like several heists and whatnot, I'm going to go back downstairs and help out my brother for like, again, 2 minutes or so. Like, you know, I'm helping him out with some shit. And then we're going to be back up here. Oh, hey, kick that bro, man. Yeah, alright, hold on. Let me see. Definitely got you added, bud. Alright, guys, we're good now. I don't think Vic will join, though. I highly doubt that. How much longer for this stream? Why are you tired of us now? Mikey, do you have a Twitch account? I did, but I don't use it no more. Are you fucking tired of us now, Gomez? You don't think what? You don't think what? Raymond, it means that you're never getting it. I'm sorry, I'm back. What's going on, Vincent? Welcome back, dude. We are currently doing a heist. We are waiting for, I think, one more person. I don't know if we're waiting for Vic, but I know he's not gonna join. We need one more person, right? Alright, guys, we need one more person. Guys, no, I'm not tired. I was just asking. Don't even lie to me. Don't even lie to me, Gomez. Don't even lie to me. I know you don't. Nope. Nope. Take off the heart symbol. Nope. Guys, if you have a PlayStation 4, add me up and come join. Yo, do I have this motherfucker on my friends list? This little guy, whatever. Hold on, let me see. I'll delete his ass. I'm deleting his ass. Hold on. Get Vic's bitch ass in here. Hey. Alright, hold on. Where is Vic? Vic Violent. I can't even see it. I'm coming. Wait, you're coming, Noel? Alright, hell yeah, Noel's coming, dude. Hey, Noel's coming, bro. I'm not lying. Damn, Texas boy. What? Hey, did you separate the clothes yet? From the dryer? Joke. PS4 rocks, Xbox sucks. Hell yeah, PS4 does rock. No, that's me. Oh, that's you? That's you? I was told to delete you. Awkward. I gotta go. Loosen my arms. I gotta go loosen my arms. Are you gonna go? What? Huh? Yeah. Clothes in the dryer? Are they dry? Separate them. There you go, guys. Bitch, no, they're not. Okay, did you do downstairs? Alright, so I'm joining. Alright, well we're waiting for one of you guys to join up. So what? Wait, you told me to tell him he's a bitch and a dirty racer? Hey, I be using the same lotion too, man. I be using it for the same reason. Hey, hey, hey. Whew. It is fucking hot, man. Hurry up and join, bro. Oh, man. It's hot. Alright, guys, hurry up and join if we're still waiting. I'm getting the Batman Limited Edition. Order me on the website because stores were sold out. Gonna come on Thursday. Nice, Raymond. I'm bored. I'm just kidding. Hey, if you're bored, that's fine. You don't have to lie. So, yeah. Ooh, random music just wants to turn off. Alright. Alright, guys. I think we're about to get started. Yes, baby. He's